Hi everyone, welcome to Be My Cook. My name is Suze, and if you're new here, welcome. I want to thank all my subscribers for watching my videos. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you. And today I have a great recipe for you. It's called Tres Leches French toast. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so we're going to start our recipe, and I have 5 ounces of carnation evaporated milk. We're going to add that to our bowl. And I'm going to use a half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. And then we're going to use a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. We're just going to stir this up. It's going to be sweet enough, and we don't want a whole lot. This is enough for at least 6 French toasts, unless you have somebody that just wants to really have a lot of syrup on their French toast. But this is plenty. Now that we have it all stirred up, we're going to put it in the refrigerator until we need it. So our second step is to get our bread. Now this is a brioche bread, and it has vanilla cream weaved in there, as you can see. And this is what we're going to use for our French toast. Now I want about 1 inch slices out of this, okay, like that. Now of course you're going to need more than 1 loaf if you're going to get this. I bought this at Aldi's, if you have an Aldi's near you. Or use your favorite bread, doesn't matter, whichever you would like. But this really gives a lot of flavor, and it's dense enough for what I want. So let's do another slice. And I can get 2 more slices. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make our traditional French toast recipe as far as what we're going to dip this into. Now you want to have a wide enough surface, that's why I'm using this bowl, so that the bread can set in there and soak up all this egg mixture. I'm just going to add about 3/4 cup of milk. Stir that around. We really want that egg to get distributed in the milk. Now I'm going to add a few shakes of cinnamon. And I'm going to add some vanilla. Just about a teaspoon. Now this is going to go fast, just like French toast. It's so easy to make. It does go fast. So let's get this mixed up really well. As I was mixing this up, I realized I forgot to add the vanilla to our syrup. So let's add a tablespoon of vanilla to the syrup. Let's mix this up again and put it back in the refrigerator. It's very important to put the vanilla in here. Okay, back into the refrigerator with the syrup. Okay, let's start to dip our French toast. We don't want to leave it in there too long. I have my pan heating up with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a tablespoon of butter. So I have our French toast in our pan. We don't want to rush this. We want to make sure that it's cooked, has a nice crust on the bottom, and then we're going to flip it over and get a nice crust on the top. I just turned our French toast over, and this is the kind of crust that I want. It's nice and golden brown. At this time, this is what I'm looking for, and I'm gonna take it off the heat and put it on a plate. So the last step, I'm gonna take this big salad fork and just poke some holes in our French toast, about 4 in each. You can use a cake tester. I just can't seem to find mine, but it doesn't matter. Now I'm going to go ahead and arrange it on my serving dish. Kind of center it. Of course, now if you were making more for other people, you'd have more. So I'm going to add a little bit of powdered sugar just on the top. Now we're going to add some strawberries. I just sliced them up. You can do whatever you like, but traditionally there's some sort of berry with the Tres Leches cake. And now I'm going to take our sauce and just put it over the top. Now to portion this out, you could either give everybody 1 piece or 2. All right, now we have our berries and our syrup on there, you see. We're not done yet. I have some whipped cream that we're going to put on. All right, just a little bit. This is pretty decadent. And I have some mint leaves. We're just going to add a few of those just to garnish and make it look nice. All right, let's give this a taste. I'm really looking forward to this. It is truly the best tasting French toast I've ever had. It's not soggy. It has the right amount of vanilla. I hope you make this. This is so delicious. If you like this recipe, subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.